Robot vacuums are no longer stupid, as we saw a few years ago. Since last year, I've seen more robots equipped with LIDAR sensors, but most are placed on top only. The Dreame Bot L10 Pro comes with more sensors and advanced features, while the launch price is very affordable at $359. If you haven't heard of this Dreame brand before, it is another Xiaomi subsidiary. Therefore, Dreame products work under Xiaomi Home ecosystem. When you set up the Dreame Bot L10 Pro, you need to install the Xiaomi Home app and add the new vacuum. This is a simple process since you just need to connect the robot to your home's Wi-Fi network. Although the L10 Pro can work immediately out of the box, I highly recommend you to set up the app first. You can use the app to control the robot as well as enable advanced features like high-precision 3D obstacle avoidance or carpet boost. You can also set up virtual walls and no-mop zones. The device is compatible with Amazon Alexa only. It doesn't work with Google Home or Apple HomeKit. This is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop device, so it includes a water tank with an attack mop. However, the mopping function still has a lot of shortcomings as compared to recent robot vacuums I tested. I only use the mop occasionally. It works well in cleaning my hot floor, but the problem is that I have some rugs and carpet as well. The L10 Pro can't detect carpets well enough, so it still brings the wet mop onto my rugs. To avoid the carpets, you have to set up no mop zones for your carpets, but it's difficult to create those zones accurately. Another issue is that the wet mop lays on the floor after each cleaning session. This might damage your wood floor if you forget to remove the mop. The recent Roborock S7 can lift the mop and features sonic vibration. That's the best mopping performance on a robot vacuum. The most anticipated features of the L10 Pro is, of course, LIDAR navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance. The robot is equipped with double LIDAR sensors on top and another laser system on the front. Instead of using front cameras, the L10 Pros use laser lines pointing to different angles to detect obstacles. According to a Dreame engineer, the robot can detect objects which are larger than 3 mm, and after length and width analysis, it would avoid them selectively. In my test, the navigation system works pretty well in locating the robot's position and mapping out the floor plan. It also manages to avoid toys, slippers, power cords, and other small obstacles most of the time. However, sometimes it still hits my sandals and drags my power cords around. Obviously, the laser system can't recognize objects as well as cameras. The cleaning time of the L10 Pro is just a little longer than some high-end robot vacuums. It takes around 30 minutes to clean a 320 square foot floor. Its movement is confusing sometimes, but in general, the robots follow the wall first, then clean in a zigzag pattern on the inside. The vacuum boasts a maximum suction power of 4000 pascal, which is way above most robot vacuums on the market. I'm using it in the normal mode, which boosts suction on carpets only. I don't see any difference in the performance as the amount of dust collected at the end of each cleaning session is pretty much the same. To conclude, here are pros and cons of the robot vacuum. Pros: effective LIDAR and obstacle avoidance, affordable price, good suction power and battery life. Cons: not compatible with Google Home and Apple HomeKit. Mopping function has some limitations. Overall, the Dreame Bot L10 Pro is a great choice if its price remains at $359. I really hope they make this price permanent because at the full price of $549, it can't compete with other high-end robot vacuums.